Good morning and welcome to the area Securities Markets Update. In Japan, further economic clues continue to show the negative effect of the sales tax hike. Retail sales for the month of April fell by 4.4% in April after a significant rise with more than 11% in March prior to the sales tax hike, while it had been anticipated to decline slightly by 3% only. In Australia also we got different results today. New home sales increased by 2.9% in April comparing to a rise of 0.2% in March. However, private capital expenditure also tumbled by 4.2% in Q1 comparing to a decline of 4.5% in Q4 last year, while it had been anticipated to decline also slightly by 1.6% only. Despite the negative capital expenditure readings, the Aussie advanced across the board, rising the most against the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar as well. The rise in Aussie also came in due to the upside surprise in the spending intention from firms outside of the mining and manufacturing sector. However, the upside move is likely to remain limited for the time being, as mentioned in our daily technical and fundamental reports yesterday. In New Zealand dollar against the US dollar also declined further and reached our potential targets mentioned in our reports yesterday at 0.8478, which represent its 100-day moving average. As for the European session today, there are no economic releases while the banks will be closed, and the markets are expected to trade within a tight range ahead of the key economic releases from the US. The second estimation of the US Q1 GDP will be released at 12:30 GMT time. The expectation points to a shrinking of 0.6% after a growth of 0.1% in the first estimation. We believe that the shrinking may continue also by 0.8%. Furthermore, jobless claims is expected to decline slightly to 322,000 last week, down from 326,000 the week before. Pending home sales is also expected to rise by 1.1% in April, comparing to a rise of 3.4% in late March. Finally, in Canada, current account deficit is expected to narrow slightly to 12.4 billion in Q1 comparing to 16 billion in Q4 last year. This is it for today. You can watch me on Al Arabiya TV today at 12:30 Abu Dhabi time, which is 8:30 GMT this morning. And you can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest economic releases, reports, and analysis. Thank you for watching.